To make it easy on a user to navigate your chatbot, you can also create user menus. This user menu can be specific to each individual user, and you can assign them directly inside the flow builder. To create a new user menu, just press the blue button on the right. From here you can give the menu a name, and now you can add new menu items with the corresponding button. You can give the menu item a title. In this case, because it's Telegram, you can give it a command, and you can then select a subflow. For example, let's just use the flow that we already created. In this case, add user to a specific sequence. Press save, and now your menu item will be saved inside the main menu overview. You can keep adding new menu items, and for Telegram you can only use subflows. But if you go with the Messenger persistent menu, you will be able to also add direct buttons towards website links. So you can insert a URL as well. Certain channels will have this access, while others have the limitation where you need to go to a specific flow in order to show the URL inside of a text window. Once you created your menu, just press save, and your user specific menu has now been saved in the overview. To add this menu towards your user, you can go to any kind of flow you like to. You can just create a new action block. You can go to advanced options, set user menu, and from here you will be able to select the menu you just created. Always make sure that your flow is published to save the changes inside of your flow. And this way you are able to set a specific flow to individual users.